Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are continuing with my advent calendar. We are on day 9. This comes from Lozziecreates. All her information is below, so go and follow her. She does a lot of cool crafts over there. And today it says just a few little somethings to add to your shelves if you want to. Hope you like them. Britt. I forgot my own name. They're gotchas! Oh gosh. I guess I better open these. Let's see what I got in the gotchas. So let's open the little one first because I can see Evie is in here. She's so cute! Oh my gosh, look at her! Oh yes, she's definitely going on the shelf, for sure. Next, I can see Flareon in here. Let's see. Why can I not open this? Oh, okay, there we go. So you could have gotten Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, Leafeon, and Glaceon. Look how cute that is! Aww, so cute. Okay, gotcha number 3. So we could have gotten Pikachu, Eevee, Charmander, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. Ooh, this is one of the soft, squishy ones. It's like a little rubber ducky, but it's Eevee. Here, it's wrapped twice, so. She sits on here, and then we can put the little. It's a pet Eevee. So cute. Now I need to make some room on my shelf. I think I'm out of room. That's why the one Eevee fell down. I'm just gonna have to evade the Pikachu shelf and put it on. Thank you so much, Lozzie. I can't wait to put these on my shelf. And guys, if you want to see what else I got for for my advent calendar, you can check my past videos and you can follow me because I'm gonna be having a few more days yet. We're getting close to Christmas, halfway there, almost. No, in like 3 days we're halfway there. So we've still got a couple more days left of the advent calendar. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.